guys, it's Ruby here from Crazy Pepsi, and I have this Animal Jam blind bag, and it includes a pet, 2 accessories, and a checklist. So I got the yellow hook. Yeah, I opened it now. I'll be doing a live soon. So this is a bit of card. Here is the house. Ooh, so first I want to get the checklist. I'm not looking. Oh no, I have to, because the checklist comes inside it. But I actually won't really look at the animal. So let me see. Ooh. Oh, I'll just look at it anyway.
Oh, I'm bleeding.
No, you're not.
Pizza bleed.
No, don't just slap our hands on it.
Doing pizza.
Please subscribe.
Subscribe to Greg's because they gave me a free grocery bag.
Greg?
I'm only joking. I'm trying to trick you.
Okay, so
I got a card in here.
as an exclusive gift code,
Don't tell me!
scratch and redeem code. Ooh, and I won't look at the accessories. So, whoa, there's like 96, I think this is to collect. Whoa, there's a whole load of, look at rare, diamond, ultra rare. Cool. So I think I got Piglet.
Let's see.
Look at this. I think I got Piglet. I got this. No, I didn't get Piglet.
You got an elephant.
I know, yeah.
Why did you think it was a pig?
Oh, yeah, it's called Elephant.
I told
And
you.
it's a rare.
That's why I said oh, because it was
So
an
it comes
elephant.
with 2 accessories, and they are, let me have a look. Elephant, wait, purple, it's a purple one. So, wait, it's wrong side. Comes with some pair of wings to put on it.
Do you know this YouTuber called
It's a pair of wings.
Unbox63? No, I mean Unboxers.
I think this is a bowl of water, so the animal, wait, is it? Yeah, it probably is a bowl of water, so the animal can like have a drink in it. And here's a little.
No,
No,
this is a channel
no, I don't want to talk yet. It flaps.
Did you just speak?
And then you can put your little animal inside, like that. He's got his home, and I'm going to put his water in. Say bye. Comment a name for it. It's just called Elephant. I really want a puppy. I really want there's a raccoon in this series. Puppy, and I think there might be a penguin. I think that's it. I just want puppy. And Arctic wolf. So, thank you for watching this video, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.